Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting for all the coin enthusiasts out there. Exploring the top 3 UK 1 penny coins from 1928, 1963, and 1945. We'll not only uncover their historical significance but also discuss their current market value at prestigious auctions like heritage auctions. So, let's get started. Our first penny coin hails from the year 1928. This particular coin holds immense historical value, as it was minted during a significant era. In 1928, the UK was undergoing various changes, and this coin serves as a tangible piece of that time. Its intricate design and limited mintage make it highly sought after among collectors. When it comes to determining the value of any coin, rarity and condition play a crucial role. In the case of the UK 1 penny coins from 1928, their value significantly depends on how many of them are still in circulation and their overall condition. Coins in pristine condition are highly sought after by collectors and can fetch a high price at heritage auctions. Let's talk about some recent heritage auctions where these coins were sold. In the past few years, these coins have been gaining traction in the collector's market. We've seen some remarkable prices achieved for well-preserved 1928 1 penny coins. One notable auction saw a coin in excellent condition sell for $300,000, making it clear that these coins are highly valued by numismatists. Let's take a closer look at the design and features of the 1963 1 penny coin. On the obverse side, you'll find a young portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. This portrait was created by Mary Gillick and was used on UK coins from 1953 to 1970. One of the factors that determine the value of a coin is its rarity. While millions of these coins were minted in 1963, the condition and specific features can make some more valuable than others. Mint condition coins, or those with unique characteristics, can fetch a higher price at auction. If you're fortunate enough to own one in excellent condition, it could be worth up to $89,000 at heritage auction in this condition. The 1945 UK 1 penny coin holds a special place in the hearts of collectors. Produced during a pivotal time in history, these coins are not only a piece of currency but also a testament to the events of that era. Now, let's talk about its value, especially in good condition at heritage auctions. You see, the condition of a coin is crucial in determining its worth. Coins in excellent condition tend to fetch higher prices at auctions. The 1945 UK 1 penny coin, in good condition, has been sold at the heritage auction for $400,500. This sale not only showcases the coin's value but also reflects the passion and dedication of numismatists in preserving our rich history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.